What's the meaning of corruption? Corruption. Corruption.
Corruption. Corruption. Corruption refers to dishonest or fraudulent conduct by those in positions of power, typically involving bribery or the misuse of public funds for personal gain. It undermines the principles of fairness and accountability in governance, leading to a breakdown in trust between citizens and their representatives. The consequences of corruption can be severe, as it can lead to economic instability, reduced public services, and social inequality. It also impedes development efforts and can create environments ripe for organized crime and terrorism. Ultimately, corruption erodes the foundations of democratic societies and harms the well-being of individuals and communities alike.